The rear sonar system is a parking aid that helps the driver detect obstacles near the rear bumper. The system is activated when the ignition is in the on position and the shift lever is moved to the reverse position. The system automatically deactivates at speeds above approximately 6 miles per hour and reactivates at lower speeds. When an object is detected, a blinking green indicator light appears and a tone sounds intermittently. When the vehicle moves closer to the object, the color of the indicator turns yellow and the rate of the blinking increases. When the vehicle is very close to the object, the indicator light stops blinking, turns red, and a tone is continuously heard. Press this button to disable the alert. To turn the system on or off, push this switch. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select settings, driver assistance, parking aids, then sensor to toggle the rear sonar system on or off. The rear sonar system sensors are located on the rear bumper. Be sure to keep them clean and free from snow, ice, and dirt. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.